Okay, so I don't know if you can see right here where my thumb is, there's a split in this. Water got inside this. Yeah, we're going to see if we can either repair or replace this. So the first thing we're going to do here is cut this pipe. We've got these pipe cutters and they do a really nice job. They ratchet through the pipe, just smoothly cut through it. Nice clean cut. We're going to go ahead and put this plumber's wrench, monkey wrench, on the base of this. There we go. Just how you get it started, and then once it's started, you get a lot more flexibility. And I'm holding this part here because this is the copper pipe doesn't need to move. All right, so there we go, and there you can see the big split that we got right in the middle of that. We took the old valves off, and now we're going to put new ones on. The one was split. This one was just, it hardly closed anymore, so I just decided to replace them all. Now my options are I can put 2 new valves on since the body is still good, or I can just replace the entire thing. I also have this gray back pressure valve from Rainbird, basically plastic, so it's super inexpensive compared to these original brass ones. If I put that one on, I have to do a little more plumbing work, and I really don't want to take the time to do that. So I'm just gonna use these two. These valves were $22 each, and so it's a little bit more expensive to go to this route, but it's gonna save me a bunch of time. I'm using TFE paste to put on my threads rather than pipe tape. This stuff is good for natural gas, water, propane. It has a multiplicity of uses. It does a good job at sealing up the threads. So I'm just gonna go around these. And this stuff stays soft throughout its use. And so if you ever need to disassemble this, it's a lot easier. So I'll put this one on first. Okay, and you can see it squeezes out there on the end, but we'll just leave that as is. Now we'll do this side. Yeah, this stuff can get a little messy. I just stuck my hand in it. So just be aware. Put this one on. Okay, it's gonna go on like that. All right, so we'll go ahead and put the Teflon paste on this piece right here. So now we can go ahead and put the backflow preventer back on. And I'm not sure I can go a whole nother round or not. That's a toughie. Let's see if we can. This is basically the plan. Put this into the end of the valve, a pipe length, and then this T with a fitting for an air compressor, and this is just a brass fitting. And then that way I can use this to put air in the lines without using water, so I can go ahead and deal with sprinkler repairs, just a maintenance thing. And then when I'm not using this, I can just put a plug in here. We're gonna put the Teflon on this fitting. This stuff can be used with PVC as well, okay? And we're using this Fusion. This is like a 1-step instead of 2 steps where you purple prime it and then use cement. This is Fusion is just 1 step. So It's a little quicker. Great for DIY stuff around the house. And then this is the TFP paste that we used before. We'll go ahead and put links in the description if you're interested in any of those things. But for this, all I have to do is put this in here like so. And then put this on here, put this in here like so. So we'll let that set up. And so what I'm doing is I'm making basically a splice to meet these two together. So this is all, there's nothing to plumbing. It's just doing a little measuring. Once you got it all measured right, you're good to go. And then my last one is this one right here. Put these together and just hold them for 10 seconds and it'll be good to go. And so in just a few minutes, you can make a complete fix to what otherwise was preventing me from using my sprinkler system because of the crack in this valve down here. But replacing the valves or backflow pressure valve, either way is a viable solution. It's just a matter of what you want to spend and how much time you have. Hope this video helps. If you get anything out of it, give us a like. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.